In the eastern highlands of Manica land in Mutare, you find the majestic Manica Skyview Hotel. It has a big parking space and security for your vehicles. Our team focuses on making you feel at home. The hotel has the following services: an amazing restaurant. Our menu is a combination of local traditional dishes and Western meals prepared with diligence using fresh ingredients. Our chefs are creative and are prepared to make adjustments to our menu to suit your needs and wants. For your downtime, we have the bar ready to help you relax after a long day of hard work. We have accommodation for everyone. Family rooms, 3 beds, 1 ensuite, lounge and balcony. Deluxe rooms, 2 bedrooms and a kitchen. Executive rooms, 1 bed, lounge and kitchen. Standard rooms, 1 bed, ensuite and a kitchen. The hotel has a conference room for all your business meetings, all your workshops and all your weddings. We've got you covered at the hotel.
Skyview City Restaurant is the heartbeat of Mutare CBD at the corner Aerodrome and Herbert Shitepo Fidelity Life Center, Mutare, Zimbabwe. It boasts of over 20 tables, all oriented at providing a fine dining experience for you, our guests.
We also have a conference center. Yes, a conference center, our premium venue located in the heart of the city of Mutare. It offers a perfect experience for all occasions: weddings, conference, workshops, and exhibitions. Manica Skyview also has Manica Skyview School of Hospitality. On offer is a National Diploma 3 years full-time, which includes professional cookery, a tourism and hospitality management. We have National Certificate 1 year full-time, which includes professional cookery, tourism and hospitality management, food and beverage services. We have a National Foundation Certificate 1 year full-time, which includes food preparation, housekeeping, bakery studies. We have short courses in tourism and hospitality, which include elementary bakery and pastry arts, basic cake making and icing, event management, food and beverage services, food preparation and basic cookery, front office operation and customer care, professional housekeeping, finally, hospitality facilities management. For more information, you can contact the following numbers: